Hello, second grade. I hope everyone's doing all right. Well, this week we have Earth Day. I'm going to show you one of my favorite projects to do with second grade to celebrate Earth Day. We're going to make mini greenhouses. To start with, you'll need some seeds, scissors, and kid scissors work fine with a water bottle, and some soil. Doesn't have to be potting soil, any soil you get a hold of is just fine. And last, you'll want an adult helper. Now you can use a pop bottle, a smaller one. They're a little bit trickier to cut, but I don't recommend using Gatorade bottles, because even for an adult, they're very difficult to cut and don't go back together very well. First, you want to remove the label. Usually come right off, very easy. We don't need it. Next, it's easy if you take the lid off, and a little bit higher than halfway up, you're going to want to pinch the bottle tight. And that makes it easier to cut with the scissors, especially if you're using kid scissors. Using adult sharp ones, maybe have that adult help you now. Make a little cut, and then you can put your scissors in and cut a circle the whole way around. It's okay if it's not a perfect circle. Next, you want to fill your cup that you made up with some dirt. If you get it up to the very top, that's fine, but you might want to pack it down a little bit. That way water doesn't spill out when you put it in, or put a little bit extra back in your bucket or wherever you got the dirt. Next, carefully open your seeds. I like to do a little cut right across the top. That way later I can put a piece of tape over and seal it up tight because I won't need them all. I'm using basil, which the seeds are very little, with little seeds. Sometimes I just put them in my hand. Oops. I put them in my hand and I can just put a pinch in at a time. Just gonna sprinkle them on. Put a little bit, pinch of dirt on top to cover it up. Now we have our seeds in our nice little pot we made. You can add a little bit of water now. You don't want to add too much, just enough to get it damp. And when you get that lid we started with in the beginning, the bottle top, we'll put the lid back on. And you can carefully fit this over to protect your new plant. And you can put this by a window or somewhere where it gets some sunlight. It won't need it until the seeds sprout though. The lid helps keep it from drying out too fast. If it needs a little bit more air, you can always take off the little lid, or you can take off the whole top when your plant's ready. If you're growing more than one kind of plant, you might want to add some labels to your bottles. It'll make life easier when the little plants start to grow. Now we're finished with this project. Check out the links below to learn more about dirt with the SciShow Kids and some fun links and games below. Have a great week, guys.